Hello, and now I want to introduce the last process for the complete pellet line, the packing process. The packing process we common usually this kind of belt, skirt belt, because it can collect pellets well and save space. And from this belt conveyor, the pellets will be down to the two buffers. These two buffers, one is for the small scale pellet packing machine for 20 kilograms per bag or 50 kilograms per bag, and the other buffer will be for 1 ton big scale packing machine. This complete process is special for our customer. If you have no special requirement, we always only matching the small scale packing machines.